Focus of today's newser by the National Health Commission was on hygiene. The Commission is really trying to push the country to keep up high levels of hygiene. And this is especially so since researchers have come out saying that the coronavirus apparently can be found to survive fecal matter. Now, the National Health Commission was asked about this because the worry is that it could be SARS 2.0, as one reporter put it. But the Commission itself said it is still just studying these reports that the coronavirus can indeed survive in fecal matter. It insists that the main channel of transmission is still respiratory, but the significance is potentially huge because, as I mentioned, that's what happened in SARS. Was diarrhea was quite common, and one in five, up to 1 in 5 of the patients of SARS had diarrhea, and unfortunately, this aerosol matter contaminated with the virus then became a source of a massive outbreak here in Hong Kong at a housing estate. Now, the National Health Commission today is trying to make sure that everyone keeps a high level of hygiene all round. But what is crucial is now that they have to remind people that bathroom hygiene is absolutely critical as well. And usually one major point is to put down toilet seat covers right before flushing. But this is where it gets challenging in China because squat toilets are common there that have no cover. So all in all, it'll be a big problem for China to tackle.